Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. And here you can, for example, manage its behavior, sounds and notifications that will be enabled at the Do Not Disturb mode. You can manage sounds here. You can manage notifications like sound notification, visual notification, or you can customize this here for yourself. You can also add exceptions for this mode, for example, for calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. Here you can stare contacts. And there's also an option allow repeat colors if the same person calls second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. The same goes to messages. You can also allow reminders and events here. You can set your default duration for this mode, and in turn on automatically you can just add a schedule for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.